Hi, I'm Wanda Patchy. I am one of the regional ag curriculum specialists with Minnesota Ag in the Classroom. I'm here today to talk to you about one of our monthly kits. It's called Let's Raise a Barn. I really particularly like this because I'm a farmer and I personally know the value of barns. But the students with this lesson will learn all the different types of barns, the purpose of barns, and then what's really cool about this lesson is that there's a STEM activity that they will actually build their own hay barn. Okay, so if you're interested in this kit, I'll tell you a little bit about what's involved, and I'll tell you how you can receive this in your classroom. Okay, so the kits come in a bag, and let's take a look and see what's included. Okay, the first thing that you're going to receive is a lesson plan in a folder. And I think you'll be very impressed with the lesson plans. They're very well laid out, very easy to follow. And part of being an ag curriculum specialist is that we help you with this. So if there's any prep work that needs to be done, any supplies, that's what we do. And any questions that you may have, we can answer those questions too. So let's take a closer look to see exactly what's involved with this lesson. Again, let's raise a barn. There's 2 activities. This is going to be for grades 3 through 5. Both activities take about 50 minutes. So the first activity is going to be to learn about the different types of barns. Now, one of the things that will be included in your kit is a book called Tuttle's Red Barn. And as you can see, it's the story of America's oldest family farm. Interesting book. There's a lot of history in here. It goes back 12 generations. This is actually a real farm. In fact, you can drive to Dover, New Hampshire, and you can visit this farm. But again, I like the history as far as the farming, and it was a really good book. I enjoyed reading it, so I think your class will enjoy that too. Okay, so that would be part of activity 1. Then the other thing that they will do is you will set up 5 different stations, either on computers, iPads, iPhone. There are 5 different videos of different types of barns. And just so I don't forget them, I'll tell you which types of barns they are. So one will be on chickens, one will be on dairy, one will be on pigs, and I'm going to tell you the pig one is spot on. I love that video. And also one on equine and then sheep. So basically your students will choose 2 of those videos to view, and then they will have a video discussion guide to fill out. All right, so on to activity 2, which is the STEM activity. They will be building their own hay barn. You'll watch a short clip about how farmers make hay and the reason they raise hay. And then we'll give them some materials that they can work in to build a hay barn. And so their challenge is going to be, to build this hay barn, and then how many hay bales will that hay barn hold? So that you'll get a number of the craft sticks, and you also will receive some construction paper. And from there, your students can use some math skills and just do some of their engineering exploration to build this hay barn. So, they could probably work on it individually, but I probably would suggest maybe work in a group. I really like the group activity, especially that group think that they can work together. That is the activity. If you're interested in this lesson, contact Minnesota Ag in the Classroom, contact one of us ag curriculum specialists, and we would love to help you out. All right, have a great day.